Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into how you can make money using ChatGPT Plugins in 2025, revolutionizing your online side hustles. Before we get started, let's understand what ChatGPT Plugins are and how they can remarkably ease your workflow. Now, let's identify the lucrative side hustles you can automate with ChatGPT Plugins for a more profitable output. Setting up your ChatGPT Plugins is straightforward. Let me walk you through the process step by step. Here are some incredible case studies showcasing how people like you have successfully implemented ChatGPT Plugins and transformed their side hustles. To truly capitalize on automation, let's explore some tips to maximize your earnings with these powerful tools. Every technology comes with challenges. Let's address some common hurdles you might face and how to overcome them. AI is reshaping the future of work. Let's discuss how innovations like ChatGPT are altering the landscape for side hustlers. As we embrace AI in our businesses, it's essential to consider the ethical implications of using such technologies. Let's talk about it. In conclusion, embracing automation through ChatGPT can lead you towards financial freedom and a better work-life balance. Are you ready to take the leap?